Hi everyone! I am so excited to show you these cute little flip ear cards that I have in my shop at shop.lorywhitlock.com in SVG format. And you can also get the files at the Silhouette Design Store if you're interested in buying them there. These little cards are so cute. Look what happens when you pull on the tongue. The little ears flip up. Isn't that fun? They're super easy to put together, and I'm so excited to show you how they work. So let's get started. We're going to put together the little doggy card. But they all assemble in the same manner, so once you know how to put one together, you'll be able to do all of them. So let's get started. So I have all the pieces cut out for the cute little flip ears dog, and you've got a card base, you've got a card front, you've got the dog head with a nose and a couple of eyes, and there's a big spot for the side of his face. And then this is the mechanism with the ears and the tongue. So I'll show you how to install that here in just a minute, but let's go ahead and get the card front all assembled first. So I've gone ahead and put the doggy body and the doggy belly in place. And now we're ready to put the dog's head in place. And you'll notice a little slit here for his mouth. You'll also notice that corresponds with a slit here in the card base. So we'll go ahead, and those should line right up perfectly, as you can see with the little cutout in his body. So we're just going to put a little adhesive on the back of this and go ahead and put that in place. And you don't need to worry about the mouth area. As long as you don't glue the mouth shut, it's fine. You can put glue above it and below it though, so that's okay. In fact, you want it to be nice and stable and adhered nicely to the card base. So just make sure that when you line that up, that everything goes right into place like it should, and that the mouth lines up perfectly. So let's scoot that over slightly. Okay, so give that a good press. Make sure that your dog is glued down really well. And you'll see that that slit is lined up just right. So now we just need to put our other eye on. I've used a little pop dot to put the nose on. I think that's a really cute effect. You could also do that with eyes, or you could use googly eyes. That would be really cute as well. But these are the eyes that I've given you in the file, and I think they're really cute. Okay, so our little doggy is all put together. We just need to put his ears on. So what we're going to do is just take this piece. This is the main mechanism that makes those ears flop, and you just put the red tongue down here at the bottom and the little pink ears on the inside. Make sure those are on the inside. And then there's some score marks up here at the top. There's a double, like a gusseted little area with a little extra gap there, about 1/8 of an inch. Just make sure you fold really well on those score lines so that your ears function properly. You'll go ahead and tuck your tongue through the hole there, and your ears will just lay down across the top here. Now we're going to take those glue tabs here and just fold them all in. And you can use your bone folder to get a nice crease on all 4 of those. And we'll just go ahead and put a little adhesive on those. We're going to glue this to the front of our card base. Okay, so we'll just take this whole piece and flip it right over and glue it right on this card base. Should line right up. This is an A2 size, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So if you don't want to use your cutting machine to cut the card base, sometimes it's easier just take an 8 1/2 by 11, trim it in half, and go ahead and manually score that and fold it. That way you can get the most out of your 8 1/2 by 11 sheets of paper. I do that quite often when I'm making cards. Okay, so there's our card base with our front on it, and now we just take our little tab here and glue that around to the back side. I've added a little bit of scalloped edge to that to kind of give it a little bit of cute detail. So it looks like a cute little tab coming around on the inside of the card. And now we're ready to test out our little doggy. So let's put his ears down. And then when we pull on his tongue, check it out. Look how cute that is. His ears just flop right up. So I hope you enjoy making these fun little cards. Right now we have these 3 styles with the the doggy and the panda and the bunny rabbit. And I will be coming out with more styles if you guys love making these little cards. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a lot of fun making these and giving them to people that would enjoy these. I think kids will just love them, and they'll get a kick out of it. So I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.